Have you ever wondered why your teeth appear longer than they used to be? It's not that they're growing, your gums could be receding. Gum recession, as the name suggests, is a condition where the margin of the gum tissue that surrounds your teeth starts to pull back or wear away, exposing more of the tooth or even the tooth's root. It's a common dental problem, but many people don't realize they have it because it occurs gradually. The main culprits behind gum recession include gum diseases, aggressive toothbrushing, and poor oral hygiene. Gum diseases like gingivitis and periodontitis can lead to gum damage and recession. On the other hand, brushing your teeth too hard or the wrong way can also wear down your gums. Lastly, if you're not maintaining good oral hygiene, plaque can build up and cause gum recession. The consequences of gum recession are not just cosmetic. It can lead to sensitivity, tooth loss, and even affect your smile. So, now that we know what gum recession is and why it's a problem, how can we solve it? Tackling gum recession might seem daunting, but several effective solutions can help rebuild your gums. Let's dive right into them. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of good oral hygiene. It's the foundation of gum health. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and rinsing with an antiseptic mouthwash can significantly reduce plaque buildup that causes gum recession. But remember, it's not just about the frequency of brushing, it's also about how you brush. Using a hard-bristled toothbrush can harm your gums. Opt for a soft-bristled toothbrush instead, and brush gently to avoid damaging your gums. Now let's move on to professional dental cleaning. This is not your everyday brushing or flossing. During a professional cleaning, your dentist or dental hygienist will carefully remove the plaque and tartar buildup from your teeth and gum line. This process, also known as scaling and root planing, can help treat gum recession if it's caused by gum disease. Regular dental checkups are crucial for this, as early detection and treatment can prevent further damage to your gums. But what if your gum recession is severe? Well, that's where surgical options come into play. One such option is gum grafting, a surgical procedure where a dentist takes a small piece of tissue from another part of your mouth and attaches it to the areas of gum recession. This procedure can help regenerate lost gum tissue and protect your teeth from further damage. It's important to remember that these solutions aren't one-size-fits-all. What works best for you might not work for someone else, and vice versa. So always consult with your dentist to find the most effective solution for your specific situation. With these solutions, reversing gum recession becomes a viable possibility. But remember, the best cure is always prevention. So maintain good oral hygiene, make regular visits to your dentist, and take care of your gums. After all, they're the guardians of your teeth, and a healthy smile starts with healthy gums. Gum recession might be more common than you think, but it's not something to ignore. It's a dental concern that can lead to severe consequences if left unattended. We've learned that gum recession is often caused by factors such as aggressive toothbrushing, gum disease, or even simply aging. It's essential to understand that the health of your gums is just as important as the health of your teeth. The good news is, there are numerous solutions available to combat this issue. From adopting a gentler, more effective oral hygiene routine, to seeking professional treatments like gum grafts or regenerative procedures, each option has its benefits. Maintaining regular dental checkups is crucial in early detection and treatment of gum recession. This, coupled with a good oral hygiene routine, can make a significant difference in protecting your gums. With the right information and a proactive approach, you can protect your gums and maintain a healthy smile. Keep brushing, but remember, be gentle with your gums.